I'm Allie Beck Stanley, and for today's provider tip, I'm going to be showing you how to cook the perfect crane breast. Whether it's at home in your kitchen or on your Traeger, I'm going to give you some tips on getting it just right. All you're going to need is the brand, our newest spice made by the provider. Take our crane breast out of the fridge and let it get to room temperature. Don't worry about removing the silver skin. Next, we're going to smother it in the brand. Use your hand to gently pat in the rub, and don't forget to do both sides. In a hot pan, melt some butter and get ready to sear your breasts for about 1.5 minutes on each side. As they're searing, grab a spoon and baste them with that melted butter. Then into the oven or onto the Traeger at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes or until your internal temperature reaches about 140. If you've never had crane breasts, they're called ribeye of the sky for a reason. For more delicious recipes, spices, and to pick up your copy of the Provider Cookbook, please come see us at theproviderlife.com.